Hey viewers, welcome to my channel SQ Research and Education. Today I have a new topic. I brought for you human ear and ear function. Okay, this is the anatomy of the human ear. Okay, human function or human inner ear function, which consists of the three parts. Okay, middle, outer, middle, and inner. Okay, before I'm going to begin, I would definitely say subscribe my channel more, please, and watch and like, and appreciate those person who watch my video regularly. Okay, I use picture for you. On the other hand, okay, the internal organs of the human structure. We should know about the organs of the inner humans organs. Okay, um, it is beneficial for us to know better. Okay, this picture I used for you better know. It helps you with the example, know very well what those are. Inner ear, but the function, how your inner ear function works. Okay, and uh, right now I'm gonna discuss with you with the example, that outer ear, okay, middle ear and inner ear. Okay, let's start. Anatomy of the human ear, mean outer ear. Most striking differences between the human ear and the ear of the other mammals are in the structure of the outermost part. Like this, the mammals, those are animals who feeds their youngs one, who feeds their kids one. Okay, but it tells you that just the differences between the human ear outermost, okay, place, just the structure of the outermost, the difference, just the human ear and the what I'm saying, mammals. Sorry, it tells you just the difference. Okay, disease and disorder. Diseases of the outer ear are those that affect skin, cartilage, and the gland and hair follicles in the outer ear canal. The sound transmitting function of the outer ear is impaired when the ear canal becomes filled with the infected material or earwax. It has you just diseases of the ear internal skin. Okay, when you use the head free and the music, actually it tells you the skin impaired, skin damage when you use the head free or you listen the music in a high level or more than 60 volume. So definitely it affects skin. Okay, so yeah, you know better that the music harm your ear. Okay, so physiology of hearing: the outer ear direct sound wave from the external environment to the tympanic membrane. So this is the important role play of tympanic membrane in the middle ear, especially the eardrum actually. Okay, the other name also, you can say the tympanic membrane is also another name, that eardrum. Okay, so middle ear tympanic membrane. Middle ear is the made up of the eardrum and three small bones ossicles that send the movement of the eardrum to the inner ear. The thin Smith transparent tympanic membrane or eardrum, which form the boundary between the outer ear and the middle ear. Its diameter is about 8 to 10 mm, about mean to say 0.3 to 0.4 inch. Thus, its outer surface is slightly concave. The edge of the membrane is thick and attached to the groove in an incomplete ring of bone. Mean to say, actually, tympanic membrane touch with the tympanic, or I can say, I should say, the three bones ossicles connected to the eardrum or tympanic membrane, which is on the behind. Okay, behind of the eardrum. But the tympanic, actually middle ear consists of the tympanic membrane and bony ossicles called is the three bones. Those are the Milius. Okay, the three bones I'm talking about, the ossicles: Milius, incus, and stapes. Okay, these three ossicles connected the tympanic membrane to the inner ear, following inner ear, allowing for the transmission of sound waves. Basically, the tympanic membrane works and the ossicles, and it tells you just the difference. Okay, 0.3 to 0.4 inches, the surfaces actually. Okay, the tympanic membrane is also called eardrum, thin layer of tissue in the ear, and that receives sound vibration from the outer ear and transmit them to the auditory ossicles, like I told you. So, inner ear. also called the labyrinth of the ear part. Uh, actually the next inner ear I'm talking about. Inner ear, also called labyrinth of the ear, part of the ear that contains organs of the sense of hearing and equilibrium. Actually the labyrinth, it tells you the labyrinth, actually those are tissues or tubes which this system which are touched with the nerve system, connected to the nerve system, your brain. Actually the inner ear, also called a labyrinth of the ear, part of the ear that contains organs of the sense of hearing and equilibrium. Okay. The bony labyrinth, a cavity in the temporal bone, is divided into three section. First of the vestibule, or second the semi circular canal, and the cochlea. Okay. The inner ear is made up of this snail shaped organ for hearing, cochlea. Cochlea is actually the cochlea is a fluid filled. Filled is mean to say the gas or a liquid. Okay. Okay. The cochlea is a fluid filled spiral shaped cavity found in an inner ear that plays a vital role in a sense of hearing and participate in the process of auditory transduction. Actually, something like that. The sound waves are transduced, mean to say sound waves passing out, transduction, it's something like that. Okay. The semi circular canals that help with the balance, and nerves that go to the brain, each has an organ containing hair cells. Okay. And if I'm talking about the semicircular, first I told you what is the cochlea, and the semicircular, actually it tells you you need to know about what is the semicircular is connected to the ear, also connected to the nerve system. Okay. But it works different from the cochlea. But semicircular, those tissue, but it is called the labyrinth. Okay. Semi circular canals are three very small tubes, which are called the semicircular. Okay. Tubes whose primary job to regulate the balance and sense of head position. Okay. Which are those, the interior, posterior, and horizontal canal. Okay. I hope you got it. Okay. So in the next video I would definitely informative or research based topic for you. So till the next video, bye bye.